estate or real estate?
Real estate sector.
The entire world is uncertain right now due to global issues, and that uncertainty is directly affecting property prices in India. Let me explain this in 45 seconds, and I give you a simple strategy for what to do right now. Due to Iran conflict in Gulf, Hormuz Strait is disrupted. Oil prices are going up. When oil goes up, diesel goes up. Truck costs more to run. Cement costs more. Steel costs more. Aluminium costs more. Everything that goes into building construction become more expensive every single month. When construction cost goes up, developer increase property prices. Simple cause and effect. This already happening as on today.
Property prices are rising.
So what should be a strategy from here? It's very simple. You find a good reputed developer for yourself, someone with a strong track record, RERA registered, bank approved. Step 2, check if they have no PMI option available. Pay just 10% or 20% right now. For example, on a 1 crore home, it's hardly of 20 lakh rupees. Zero EMI for next 2 to 3 years. You have locked today's pricing while construction costs keep going up. By the time your project is ready, you are sitting on property worth more than what you have paid without touching your savings, without affecting your monthly budget. Typically, Indian buyer has a mindset, I'll wait and then I'll buy. But waiting actually costs you more. Think about this. The people who bought during COVID in 2020, when everything felt uncertain, those are the same people sitting right now at least 80 to 100% return as on today. Right strategy at the right time. This is what real estate is all about. Now you want to know which projects are safe to invest and where you have a schemes going on with a good reputed developer? Connect with us right now.